Captain Sharif says the south. Alright guys, can north again? Oh! Captain Sharif says go west. No running. That's my pirate. Captain Sharif says head east. Alright guys, swap the deck. Time to swap the deck.
Oh, good one.
Captain Sharif says go north. Go south. Oh, we got somebody.
Alex, no.
Captain Sharif says go east.
East.
Captain Sharif says I spy a pirate. Alright, now you guys go west. Oh, off the boat. Go west, guys. Oh. Out, west. Captain Sharif says go north.
What?
North.
Don't fall off the boat.
South. Woo, these guys are hard to stump. Captain Sharif says go east.
Maybe what you heard, but it's not what she said.
Captain Sharif says electric.
I
Alright, bugs on board. Bugs on board.
Come on, smash those bugs.
Alright, Captain Sharif says go to the northwest. North?